today. Make me set apart. My faith in you keeps me from death, holding me close. Don't ever let go. Let me burn up. Set my heart ablaze. Let me burn up. I want you to fill this place. Let me burn up. God, I've had enough of this pain. I'm so tired, I'm the one to blame. I lift up my hands to feel closer. Pull me into grace. Take me